Okay, let's get to work for this easy recipe. We'll start out with half an onion. We'll dice that up nice and finely, and then we'll go ahead and set that aside. I've got one jalapeno pepper. Again, I'll dice this up finely. I'll set it aside so I can mix it in with the onions later. I love a little bit of kick inside my chicken. We'll slice up some mushrooms, and I've got some spinach here as well. We'll give this a nice rough chop. It certainly doesn't need to be fine. And now I've got some cooked bacon, which I'll dice up as well and set aside. So I always prepare all of my ingredients first before I move on to my raw chicken. I'm gonna go ahead and tenderize that, have a little bit of fun with my most trustworthy and loyal pan. And then I'll proceed to create a little bit of a pocket in here. So be careful with your knife. We'll trim away a little bit of the chicken first. I like to find the thickest part of the chicken and then create that pocket you'll see here that I'm doing. You'll insert your knife almost to the end of the chicken, but not quite all the way. And that way you have that nice pocket, which we'll be able to stuff our chicken breast with. Now that everything is prepped for this easy recipe, we'll go ahead and saute our vegetables. I'll start out with my onions and hot peppers, add in some garlic. I even had some diced red onions left over that I've tossed in there as well. Next, I'll add in that cooked bacon. And then finally the mushrooms. I'll go ahead and give that a nice quick flip. And there is my boom spice. It's got some great kick. The recipe for that, of course, is also on my YouTube channel. And lastly, I've gone ahead and added in the rough chopped spinach. We'll give that another little shake, set it aside, and make sure we season up our chicken breast as well with my boom spice again. Now I've proceeded to add in some shredded mozzarella cheese over here, and then my nice vegetable mixture. We'll stuff those pockets really full right to the brim. Once those chicken breasts are nice and stuffed and filled, we'll be able to seal them shut and pull over the little extra flap of the chicken breast to do so. I'll show you again here so you can see it a second time on the other chicken breast. So we'll start out with some cheese and then fill it with the rest of our vegetable mixture. We'll stuff every nook and cranny of this little pocket that we've created, and then simply fold it together and fold over that extra chicken breast flap to seal it. Once the stuffing of the chicken breasts are complete, I go ahead and brush them with a little bit of smokehouse barbecue sauce. This, of course, is optional, but I really like the flavor combination with those vegetables. And then I'll pop it into the oven and bake it at 390 degrees for anywhere from 30 to 45 minutes. There it is. This chicken breast is stuffed, cooked, nice and golden brown, and it is juicy as ever. I'm anxious to slice right into this. While we are finishing up our dish preparation here, please do me a favor as well. Go ahead and hit that like button. Don't forget to throw a comment down there once you've tried this dish. Subscribe and share to the channel, and that way you can follow along for more great recipes. This is going to be a fantastic dinner tonight.
Boom! Another fantastic dish. So I've stuffed this chicken breast today with onions, mushrooms, bacon, spinach, and my boom spice. Baked it. I also have a little bit of garlic in there as well. I've baked it, brushed it with a little bit of barbecue sauce, a little smokehouse flavor. Gives it a nice rich flavor along with that stuffing that I've put in there today. This is fantastic. Please also do me a favor, like, comment, subscribe, and share. Turn that notification button on so that way you also receive every update when I post a new dish, and that way we can keep on cooking together. Until next time, happy cooking. Boom! This is exquisite today. Look, can you see inside that chicken breast? Can you see inside there? Take a look. Up close. Look at that.